28s, heavy Chevys, watch them skate out on the freeway. I'm cruising this on replay, never could get a ticket. Slow lane, bumping SOS band, just reminiscing.
What up, By Any Means Gang? We back with another one. Yes, sir. Y'all see me trying out something new. Let's see. All right, there we go. Trying out something new. Yeah, we on this see me in something different. We in a truck. Sure bit. See if we're gonna make it. We gotta go y'all see me? Okay. Yeah. We gotta go 80 miles. Back to the crib, 80 miles. Everything good though. Riding pretty good. They on traffic, but yeah, riding pretty good. All systems are go. It's a truck, so a little bumpy. So we got 80 miles. She's probably about 70 now. Probably about 70 miles. That's what it's looking like. Fix this. Yeah, probably about 70 miles now. The 80 full trip. One way, 80 miles. Back in the game. Old school. Been talking about it. Few things need to touch up, you know what I'm saying, fix, but overall very, very solid. I'm gonna give y'all a walk around soon, very soon. Just want to tap in. Like I said, you can see right here from the headliner, this headliner need to be fixed, probably. Looks like it redo the whole headliner. It ain't that bad. I already know 1 or 2 shops around in the city that do them. So most likely get a new headliner. Yeah, we got a little bit of traffic. Probably like an hour drive. Had to go an hour away. Folks was taxing though. Taxing out the yin yang. But your boy done came up. Hold on, y'all. Let me get right back. What up, y'all? Yeah, I had a phone call. I don't know if you can hear me over that wind. I had a phone call. Yeah, so been doing pretty good. Been about 70 the whole way. Rolling pretty good. All temperatures looking good. Copacetic. Gas meter, oil, coolant, everything straight. Like I said, we're rolling about 70 most of the way. Got about 30 miles left. There's about 30 miles left. Rolling good though. Had the air on too. I didn't realize, but the air, it ain't blowing cold. It's blowing, but ain't blowing cold. So that's one thing I might have put on the list to check out. Maybe some Freon or something. We're rolling pretty good though. Like I said, rolling pretty good. Yes, sir. First time I'm trying this out too. Got this little clip on the dashboard, so I ain't gotta hold my phone while I'm driving. Trying to do some different things. Switch it up a little bit. Oh man, he tripping. Motorcycle switching lanes and going in the median. See, that's how accidents happen. Folks tripping out here. 95 south. 80 miles away. We're going back north now. North. I'm gonna take you off this clip in a little bit. Show you the road view. The traffic going south right now messed up. That's why you gotta leave early when you do things. Beat the traffic. Anything you can do, you try to do it early. Get it over with. And once that traffic starts, you're gonna be stuck in a mess. But yeah, like I said, we got about 20, 25 miles left. Shoot, I'm gonna tap back in with y'all in a little bit. Alright, y'all, we done made it. 80 miles. 80 miles. We done made it. Check engine light that came on, but it ain't been driven in like 2 months. You know how these old schools can be. I had one old school, my Bubba Caprice. Had that car for 8 years, never left me stranded. Check engine light stayed on. Never left me stranded though. But yeah, all other temperatures and gauges look good. 80 miles, we made up the exit. Yep. Yeah, y'all, yeah. Just want to tell y'all I appreciate the support. You know what I'm saying? Support me and whatnot. Like I said, we about almost at 1,000 subscribers. So I appreciate all the support. Y'all hit that like button, share, subscribe, and all that. Like I said, we almost at 1,000 subscribers. So shoot, I'm gonna cut this video a little short. It might be a little long. I don't even know, but I'm gonna catch you on the next one. All right, let's go. OBS gang. Showbed Jay. Showbed Mitch. Body Miss gang. I'll catch you on the next one.